Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mom and Me Beauty. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you my quick get ready in the morning routine. This is the routine that I go to if I just have to run errands or I don't really have anything special planned for the day. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm out the door. What's great about these products is that they last so well on my skin. And for reference, I do have combo skin, very oily T-zone, normal everywhere else. And just a side note, unfortunately, Emma came down with a cold that I have. That's why we weren't able to record or post a Mom and Me video on Monday. She is on the mend though. Hopefully we will be back full blast on Monday with another Mom and Me installment. So without further ado, let's get started. To start out this look, I will be using the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Primer Base. Now I normally put this on, and let it sink in while I'm getting dressed, but for the sake of this video, I'm just putting it on and going on to the next step. I do like to use my e.l.f. Prime and Blur Stick, and I must apologize because there are some of these products that I could not get to focus. I do apologize, but a list of the products that I used is down in the description box, so check that out. I love this Blur Stick. It really fills in those giant pores that I have right around my nose and keeps my moles under control. For my foundation today, I'll be using the Wet n Wild MegaCushion foundation, and this is a new Real Technique sponge that I found in Walmart. And it definitely applies the sponge cushion foundation really well. I apply it all over my face, and as you can see here, I'm trying to get it into those nooks and crannies right around my nose, but it just does not work very well. So I will fix that problem later, but again, I do put it all over my face and the finish is fantastic. This is another one of those things that I could not get to focus. This is my ULTA Beauty Color Correcting Concealer in pink. It showed up in favorites video recently. I will put that in the cards for you to watch and in the description bar below if you'd like to check that video out. And then I just blend it in with a concealer brush. And this is upside down. This is my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I'm pretty sure this has shown up in a favorites recently. If it hasn't, it's going to be in this month's favorites. Anyways, love this concealer. The two of them really make me look awake and like I've had tons and tons of sleep when I really haven't. Blend this in with the concealer brush as well, and you can see here I take that down into the nooks and crannies around my nose. Really gives me a good amount of coverage. I set everything with my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love the brush that I'm using with this too in my eyes, my inner corners, especially because I can get in there and set it, doesn't crease. And I do set my T-zone, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose and on my chin. Moving on to the next step is the Catrice Prime and Fine Contouring Palette. I use a lot of Catrice products in this tutorial, and I just love a lot of things that they put out. So yeah, this tone is really great. It's very cool toned, so it works well with my pink undertones. Gives me that contouring, and you really can't mess it up. You cannot apply too much. I am using Catrice Cosmetics blush, and I went really heavy-handed with this. It's so pigmented. You really, like, one swipe in the pan, that's all you need. So you can see here I applied way too much. I went back and took that sponge that I used to apply my foundation just to blend out the blush, and you can see it looks a lot better. For highlight, I'm using Catrice Cosmetics Highlighting Powder. Love this stuff. I do not like a blinding highlight. I like a very subtle highlight, and this highlighting powder definitely gives it to me. So I put it on the high points of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. Moving on to curling my eyelashes. And for my upper eyelashes, I will be using my favorite Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. 2 coats of this is a must for me. It really does do the job of making my eyelashes hold a curl and stay upright, look voluminous. The trick of this is you have to apply at least 2 coats. It will make a huge difference in making you look awake. For my bottom eyelashes, I have not found a better mascara than Maybelline's The Falsies Angel Push-Up Mascara. It's the comb, the bristles on the comb are so teeny tiny, and they really do a great job of defining your lower lashes. To set everything, I use my Milani Make It Last Setting Primer Spray. You can use this as a primer or the setting spray. It's fantastic. Absolutely love it. And for my lip color, I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And this is in number 15 Lover. Love this color. It is so pretty. Very close to my natural lip color, but also gives me enough impact where, yeah, I just absolutely love it. And this is the finished look. This is my go-to quick 10 to 15 minute makeup look. Hope you enjoyed. And that is it for my quick get ready go-to routine. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. That really does help us out. And don't forget to leave in the comment section below, what are your go-to quick products that you like to use when you've got very little time to get ready in the morning, but you really need that makeup to last you? I would really love to know. I actually have stumbled upon some products from suggestions from you, our viewers. And don't forget to connect with us on Instagram under Mom and Me Beauty, and with Emma under Emma_N_2004. We do post 2 beauty videos a week when we're not crazy busy and the world is not exploding on us. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with my daughter Emma or Mom Moment with me. Thank you again so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!